Time to get these acrylic edges stuck to the surfaces. So I shall start with this one over here. Take the backing off in a sec. I'm using what the company supplied with the acrylic to stick these down. Not a great lot of instructions on the back of this, I must admit. It just says cut the tip off and then use. So, but I have got Sticksall as a backup. That's quite a nice adhesive to use on all surfaces, and they are a bit more generous with their instructions, because they do say that do it in a 3 to 6 mil strip, about 30 to 40 millimeters apart. Clamp it down and then should dry within 30 minutes. This one at 23 degrees says around about 2 days. Seems quite a lot to me, but we'll see how we go with it. This side slightly harder than everywhere else to clamp up, so I'm going to use these pieces of wood just to hold it in place, probably put a clamp on the end of there. But yeah, let's see how this all goes together. Take this backing off. Give it a nice surface. Overall coverage. Place it up to our surface and we'll give it a shimmy along. Make sure it's flat on this edge. And put some wedges up. Move the camera while I did that, because I've got to do it quick. Basically that's all tight against that. Just get the clamp on the top as well. I might as well hold the bottom one while I'm at it. Hopefully we're all good there. The adhesive was quite hard to squeeze out, to be honest. If it's because it's the cold weather. Very overcast at the moment. That's it. Right, Kirby. leave that for a bit before attempting to do the front. I will have to move the battery to do the front, and then the front one should hold its sides in as well. At the mow, I'll just give that a little while, and then when I do the top part I'll be able to clamp through where these grill holes are, and of course over the top and at the sides. Just this front panel now to get on then. I've strictly backing off that upright there. As I said, otherwise it would be caught behind the panel when I put this front on. As you see, it's not stained on the front. Let's make sure that the adhesive gets good adhesion. Now I'm having to stick this up outside because there's literally no room to lay it. It's such a large piece. So it'll be a little bit awkward, but I'm sure we'll get there. Right, so that's all glued up. A little harder than I expected, because working outside there's quite a draft out there because it's blowing a gale outside, and of course it kept blowing dust onto the front of this. Right, so we've just got to hope the best for that. More clamps would have been better, as I said, but we do with what we got. So I'll leave that now overnight. It's only what, 2 in the afternoon at the moment, less than that. Give it plenty of time to go off.